Hello and welcome to Beyond the Styling Chair with me, your host, Tiffany T. Perkins, owner of Epiphany Hair Studio and master cosmetologist. As we observe breast cancer awareness this month, I will focus my first episode of Beyond the Styling Chair not only on hair, but also skin and nails for those that are dealing with breast cancer. Every year, Afro-American women are affected by breast cancer, and the common side effects are hair loss and changes to the skin due to chemotherapy and radiation. As of January 2018, according to the most recent data available, there were about 320,000 Afro-American women living in the U.S. alone with breast cancer. And let me say, I am very familiar with this disease because my mother-in-law, Mama Perkins, had it and she kicked its butt. Way to go, Mama Perkins. I was also a volunteer for the Look Good, Feel Better program as a trainer for the American Cancer Society for several years, and it was an honor serving my community. So I will be informing you today of the do's and don'ts of hair, skin, and nails while undergoing treatment. While it may seem overwhelming to haul your entire beauty bag, it's possible, and significant changes with just a few products. However, there are some products to watch out for, and these products are often marketed to Black women, yet contain some of the worrisome ingredients, which are cosmetic skin lighteners, relaxers, Brazilian blowouts, and acrylic nails. Now, this will be the beginning of something new. Don't be weary, because I'm here to assist you along this beautiful journey. Let's get into how your makeover will start. When hair loss is minimal, a shorter haircut can make hair look thicker and hair loss less noticeable. When hair loss is extreme, patients can choose from an endless variety of ready-made wigs and made-to-order wigs that are available through Epiphany Hair Studio. Now, let me tell you, the best time to shop for a wig is before treatment begins or before hair loss becomes extreme. It's easier then to match the original color, and it's more comfortable to try on wigs when there is still a cushion of hair. Wigs can give you ladies undergoing treatment a chance to experiment with new hairstyles and colors, and an opportunity to find your most flattering looks. So ladies, if you ever thought about cutting your hair, this is the perfect opportunity to try new colors and cuts. Generally, human hair wigs look more natural than synthetic wigs, but require more care and more expensive than synthetic wigs. I encourage you to experiment with several different styles before making a purchase. Ready-made wigs are generally more comfortable and more natural looking if they are fitted and styled professionally, a process that may take several sessions. These wigs are available at Epiphany Hair Studio in many styles. Here are a few of our ready-made wigs. They are 5x5 closure wigs, which are glueless wigs. This particular wig and this particular wig are the same textures, which is a body wave. Use two different tools. I used a big barrel tool to curl this one, and I used a one curl to curl this one to give a different look. Now, on the inside of this beautiful wig, it is very comfortable, stretchy. This is the fitted part. This is your closure area, which you have more room to part it on the middle, deeper on the side, or no part at all. You also have hand stitch bands that are removable, and you also have a band that is attachable to fit your specific needs. Now let's flip this beautiful baby over, and you just run your fingers through her hair. That's one particular wig. This is a body wave, glueless wig. There is no glue required to applying this particular wig. Let's also remove this wig as well. The texture is the same. It is a body wave, but the tool that I used, which is a wand curl, gave it a more wavier look. And it is also nicely fitted, stitched with your Swiss lace in here. Stretchy, no glue is required. Made to order wigs are the most natural looking because they can be customized to closely match the patient's normal hair color, texture, and style. These wigs are also available at Epiphany Hair Studio. These wigs may take up to 6 weeks for delivery and should be ordered as far ahead of treatment as possible. On the very end, this is a made-to-order wig. It was customized to the client's specific needs, and the texture is bone straight, mink straight, and it is also a glueless wig, so don't worry about glue. Also, wigs can vary greatly in style, comfort, ease of care, and price. But here's a golden nugget for you ladies. Health insurance. It may cover the cost of a wig if a doctor prescribes it as a hair or cranial prosthesis. Now, don't that sound wonderful, ladies? Here are a few more options for dealing with hair loss. First, you want to pamper your scalp with hair oil moisturizers. Since the scalp and more drier, brittle hair requires special care, and Epiphany Hair Studio offers a variety of hair elixirs that moisturize and stimulate hair follicles that will contribute to hair growth. We will incorporate gentle shampoos and conditioners in the near future and more products to patient-specific needs. Turbans, scarves, and accessories can be presented as a creative, inexpensive, and comfortable alternative to wigs for patients with more sensitive scalp. Now, I'm going to show you a few techniques on how to wear these options fashionably. Let's start with the hat. So now, ladies, you may have lost all of your hair. Example, this mannequin, and you would like to put on a hat for the day. And instead of wearing a wig, you have these options. But before you apply the cap to your head, you would like to put a soft covering over it, which would be a scarf. And then you want to apply your cap, as so. Now, you also want to be a little more fashionable and try you a nice fedora. Also keeping that same cushion of covering, which will be a scarf, or not necessarily a stocking cap, because that may dry your hair out even more or irritate, or it could be just a little too tight for you. Next, we will discuss turbans. So, due to hair loss, you may not want to wear a cap. You may want to wear a turban. They are very comfortable in style and creative in the fashionable look. But also with the turban, you want to put something underneath to protect your scalp. Now, if you decide to wear your wig, we'll just place your wig back on, as so. And this little wig has kind of been, through a lot. We've taken it off and on. And, hey, here you go. You have your turban over your wig. That is also very pretty and stylish. So you will never, ever feel like you are losing because you're actually winning. This is an opportunity to experiment with more fabulous looks. Scarves. Scarves are very fashionable also due to hair loss. So we will remove the turban, we'll remove the wig, then you end up with no hair at this point. But we have this beautiful scarf, and I know you may have plenty in your wardrobe. You just tie it around, just as so. snug. You may need some assistance, but if you don't have anyone to help you, just do like a little double knot here at the back, a double knot here, and kind of let your scarf drape over, and there you have an entire new look. And if you want to go a little further, you can actually add your cap up underneath, on top of your scarf. Now, let's talk about the skin. 12 beauty basics include cleansing the skin, moisturizing the skin, applying the concealer, a good foundation, powder, blush, eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, lip liner, and a lipstick. But the most essential in this makeup arsenal is to cleanse, moisturize, and drink plenty of water. After having radiation treatment, ladies, you should avoid exposing your skin to the sun. And when it comes to chemotherapy, you may experience very dry skin. So you should apply moisturizers while skin is still damp. And take special care of the sensitive area like around the eyes and lips. Please note, you should always consult your physician before using special skin products or medications. Now, here are the do's and don'ts when it comes to nails. The do's are: do massage the cuticle cream into the cuticle area to prevent dryness. Do wear gloves while doing household chores. Do use nail polish to keep your nails strong and protect them from the environment. And the don'ts are: don't cut your cuticles. Instead, use a cuticle remover. Don't wear glue-on nails, acrylic, or gel sculpture nails during treatment because they could increase fungal bacteria or viral exposure. Okay, ladies, this concludes today's show of Beyond the Styling Chair. I'm dedicating this show to my beautiful and amazing mother, Mrs. Lucille Oscar Gordon, who just passed last month from cancer. It was not breast cancer, but she was an incredible woman and has been one of the greatest influences in my life. To purchase wigs, extensions, and hair products, visit www.epiphanyhaircollection.com. Please click the like button, subscribe, and leave your comments. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. There will be more video coming soon. And as always, be bold, be elegant, and sparkle.